Hello and welcome to another Adverity Platform guide. In this video, we'll show you how to transfer your data to Google BigQuery. First, head to the Destinations Overview page via the Platform navigation menu. Click Create Destination and then select Google BigQuery. In order to send data to BigQuery, you'll need to authorize Adverity to access it. You can use your own credentials to authorize this, or if you don't have the right credentials, you can request access from a colleague. Or if there are existing authorizations in your Adverity workspace, then you can choose one of these. If you choose to use your own credentials for the authorization, you'll have two options, either to authorize via OAuth 2 or via a service account. If you have direct access to your organization's BigQuery account, then you can use the OAuth 2 option. However, if your organization has centralized management of BigQuery, you may need to use a service account. In this case, you'll need to go to your Google Cloud Platform and create a service key, and then upload that as a JSON file. If you need support for this, contact your IT or admin team. However, for this example, let's say you have direct access, so we're just going to go ahead and use the standard OAuth 2 option. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, log in and then simply follow the prompts to give Adverity access. You'll then have the option to configure the settings such as assigning the destination to specific workspaces and changing the name. Importantly, you'll need to specify the BigQuery project and dataset your data should be sent to. In this case, we only have one project and one dataset, so we'll go ahead and select those. You can also decide whether to turn data mapping on or off. If you want to retain all your data in its raw form, then you can switch this off. However, in most cases, we recommend keeping it on, as this will ensure consistency with all your data. You can find more information about data mapping in the Adverity documentation. Lastly, you have the force string type option. Turning this on will convert all data to text values instead of numeric. There are a few specific reasons you may want to do this, but the majority of the time, it's unnecessary. So for now, we'll leave it off. Assuming you're happy with all these settings, you can go ahead and click Create. And there you go, your destination is set up. You can now assign this destination to any existing data stream. Simply navigate to the data streams page, select a data stream you want to add this destination to, click Assign Destination, click Assign Existing Destination, and then select your new destination and click Save. In order to start transferring your data to Google BigQuery, you can either refetch one of your previous fetches, or if you have a scheduling setup, you can simply wait until the next scheduled data fetch. Let's just refetch our data now. Once finished, you can check under the Store and Transfer section that the data has been transferred successfully. And there you go, your Google BigQuery destination is all set up. For more information on setting up destinations, be sure to check out the Adverity documentation.